Would you like to be a master receiver? Do you want to be in that flow where your desires start flowing to you? This idea itself is so exciting, isn't it? So, today I am going to give you some insights, some processes, some flow, some understanding which are going to set you on that path of becoming a master receiver. Yes, so that you receive your goals, desires, dreams, and wishes joyfully, happily, magically. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And before we dive into today's interesting video, first I want you to tell me in the comment section, when did you join our YouTube Awesome Tribe? When we had 1000 subscribers, or when we had 10,000 subscribers, or when we had 50, 60,000, or 100,000, or 300,000 subscribers. First, let me know, or if you have joined recently, let me know in the comment section right now so that I will get an idea when did you join our awesome tribe. Now I'm creating so many videos for all of you, and I'm creating with joy and happiness so that all of you should manifest your desires and create an awesome life. Are you ready? Yes. So you know that the process of manifestation, like in the secret book it is mentioned, ask, believe and receive. And I say ask, believe, take action and receive it. But many people, they are on the asking part and believing part, because asking and believing are the key, and then the action, and then the receiving part. Now, if you are struggling in asking and believing, there was an amazing video I made last year. I'll be putting in the link in the description section, and you must watch it. Now, many people struggle in this last part, the receiving part. And even if they are taking actions, even if they are believing in their desires, but they are not able to receive it. And why is it so? And this video is all about that. So today I am going to give you 3 steps or 3 ways how you can put yourself in the receiving mode. Are you excited? So that you can become a master receiver, so that you can be in that flow of manifesting desires. So the first one is, you have to eliminate all the kind of weak words or negative words from your vocabulary, from your talk, from your mind. What are those words? Like I can't, I won't, it's not possible for me, all kind of negative words. Like it's not possible for me, I'm not going to get it, it's never worked for me, all kind of the N words. Yes, you have to remove those N words. No, not, impossible, not possible, like these things. And instead you should use I can, it's possible for me, I'm getting it, I'm manifesting it, I'm achieving it, all these things. Now the next set of words are about I want or I need. Many people, they keep on saying that I want this thing, I want that thing, I want to manifest my desire, I want to get that dream job, I want to get that, or I need that money, or I need that healing. So when you are saying that you want something or you need something, you know that you desire it, but you are keeping it away from you. So still you are not on the path. So you have to replace it with I am manifesting, I am on the journey, I am on the path, I am getting it, I am achieving it, I am on the path of manifestation. So, because the moment you set the desire, your manifestation process is already started. Now, another set of words which are positive words but very weak words. What are those? Hopefully, maybe, I hope that I will achieve my dreams. I hope that I will get the dream job. I hope that my relationship will get better. I hope that, or maybe, or if I'll get the job, I'll be happy. I don't know, maybe it will work for me. So those are again kind of positive words, but very weak. So your beliefs are not strong there. So what you have to do? You have to change that strength of those positive words. Keep aside hope and maybe, and focus more on I believe that I am achieving success. I believe that my dreams are coming true. I believe that I am going to get the dream job. I believe that I am going to be rich. I believe that I'm getting the best relationship. I believe that I'm manifesting my soulmate. I believe that I'm getting healed, healthy, fit, strong. So this is the first set of process. You have to change your vocabulary. You have to change the words, the weak word, the N word, the negative words, and you have to adopt more and more positive words. So there is another video I made 2 years back about what are the 3 deadly words that you should not use and which are the words that block your manifestation, and that video is much more detailed. I'll be putting the link in the description. You can watch that video. Now the second step to be in the receptive mode or be in the receiving mode is you have to tell the universe that you are in the receiving mode. Yes, you have to tell the universe that you are in the receiving mode. Now how you are going to do it? Every day you can do it in a meditative state or in a relaxed state. Right now we can do just 3 minutes of meditation, and you can do it with me. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. And you can do this while sitting in a chair, on a sofa or a couch, or lying down on your bed, or wherever you are. Even you can do it while standing. It's absolutely fine. So let's take few deep inhalation and exhalation. Few deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now focus on your body. Feel a peaceful energy. Feel a peaceful and relaxed energy. Feel a joyful energy in your body. As you are listening to my voice, you are feeling a lot more relaxed. You are feeling joyful and relaxed. Now you say this in your heart. Dear universe, I am open and receptive to my desires. I am open and receptive to my desire. Or you can say it to the higher power that you believe in, God, universe, masters, enlightened energy, supreme being. The name that you have for the supreme being or supreme power, you can say this prayer to them. So you can say, Dear God, universe, I am open and receiving my desires. I am open and receiving, or even you can say the desire, I am open and receiving my dream job. I am open and receiving abundance of wealth. I am open and receiving my success. I am open and receiving my health and healing. I am open and receiving my healthy mind, body and soul. I am open and receiving my happy relationship. So like this you can say, and then you say it for few minutes, just 2-3 minutes. When you feel that happiness and peace, that open and receptive energy flowing through you, and you feel that you have connected with the universe, then you inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and then you open your eyes. How was your experience? You could able to feel it? Let me know in the comment section. Now this is something very quick, very powerful, but you can do multiple times during the day. And preferably if you can do it just before going to sleep at night. Remember the 5-minute sleep technique I have shared with you recently. If you can do it before sleep, it will be a lot more powerful. Now this is the second step for you being in the receptive mode or in the receiving mode, letting the universe know that you are open and receptive to receive your desires. The third one, and this is the most powerful one, is giving gratitude in advance. Yes, giving gratitude to the universe, to the people who are involved in your manifestation, that you have already manifested it. Giving gratitude in advance, like I always said, give gratitude in advance and manifest whatever you want. Because when we give gratitude, it's like we are conforming to the universe that we are bringing a certainty that we are manifesting it. And that is immensely powerful. So that's why even we have a program called the Magic Practice Program, which is based on the power of magic of gratitude, and so many people are using that program to manifest all kind of things. If you are yet to join that program, you can check the link in the description. Magic Practice Program is immensely powerful, and in that Magic Practice Program I only teach how to use the power of gratitude to manifest all kinds of desires: health, happiness, money, relationship, job, career growth, all kind of things. So you can check the link. So these are the 3 steps to keep you in the receiving mode, to put you in the flow of receiving your desires. The first one is changing your vocabulary, changing the words. Second is meditate for a while and tell the universe that you are open and receptive to your desires, to your success, to your manifestation. Third, start giving gratitude in advance, as if you are already manifesting it, as if you have manifested it, as if your goals, desires and dreams are coming true. Once you start doing these 3 things, you will put yourself on that path of being a super magnet of receiving. You will become a master receiver. Yes, and your desires, goals, dreams start flowing to you. And one of the most important thing is, when you do this process, you have to stay peaceful, positive, joyful as much as possible. So if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, like it, share it with someone you love. Let me know what is the most important thing in this video, that's the biggest insight you got today. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, be part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome, and always remember that you have the power to manifest your dreams. Thank you.